Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure your ingredients accurately. Use 1/2 cup liquor, 1/2 cup cold water or juice, and 3 tablespoons plain gelatin for a firm set. Add 2 tablespoons honey or 1/4 cup sugar to sweeten, and 1/4 cup fruit juice for flavor balance. If you use 1/2 cup of 40% ABV liquor, the final batch will contain roughly 1 standard drink per 38 gummy bears, so portion accordingly and keep track of servings for safety. Bloom the gelatin by sprinkling 3 tablespoons over 1/2 cup cold fruit juice or water and let sit for 5 minutes so it hydrates. Warm the mixture gently over low heat, stirring until the gelatin dissolves and the sweetener is incorporated. Do not boil. Remove from heat, stir in 1/2 cup liquor thoroughly, then carefully pour into silicone molds. Place the molds flat in the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours, until the gummies are fully set and slightly firm to the touch. After chilling, pop the gummies from silicone molds onto a parchment-lined tray and let them air dry 6 to 12 hours for a chewier, less sticky finish if you prefer. Store finished gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks or freeze them for up to 3 months, separating layers with parchment. Serve responsibly to adults only. Clearly label containers for 21+ consumption. State approximate potency and recommended serving limits, and keep a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.